Hey guys, it's me, Donnie, back with another video, and today we're playing Jailbreak with my other YouTuber friend, oh come on, AA12YT Gaming. Follow his YouTube channel, his name is AA12YT Gaming. That's his YouTube channel. He's really good at stuff like that. So, he just got arrested, sadly. So, let's go. Yep, let's go. I gotta pick him up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I think I have the biggest bounty. I don't know. I probably do. Alright, at least you got some money for assist. Oh god. I think there's a campaign. Nope. Nope, and there's someone over there. So let's just get something. I'm gonna shoot him. I'm gonna try to shoot him. Yeet. Actually, I'll just pickpocket him. Thank you. Okay, I'm asking him where is he? Okay. They came in and know me. See that? Because I'm going for a Fortnite. Forget it all, man. They are serving my inventory. Scary train. Alright, cool. Let's see if I got my Fortnite. Yeet. Yep, we just want to and everything all that. Oh, sorry. Hold up, everybody be quiet. Don't let the enemy see me running behind me, but duck in the bush. Sorry with the pistol. You were on the ground crying. Okay, and then I'll just do the rest of the stairs. It's always gonna be jewels somewhere in the jewelry, just saying. Like, there's never without jewels, like these jewels. Oh god. Sorry, gotta go, double. Ooh, they were real trashy. Oh, are we done? Hey, boogie with a dance, I boogie with my hands, and I boogie with my hands. Chicken strap, Sorry, gotta go, double G. Sorry, gotta go. There's a camping cop up there. So, I don't know, where is he camping? But I'm right there. They're right there. What the heck? Yay. No! 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 He's so mad because I killed his brother. I was gonna be at the military place. Had my mom. Had my dad. I had. No, just in happening. Yeet. Yeet. No. Yeet. No, not the fatties. Because you're fat there. Yeet. Sorry, gotta go. Double G. Join my Discord chat. This is my Discord chat. Friend me. You are my fire. 775. Okay. Wrong server, guys. Jesus. Hold up, everybody be quiet. Don't let the enemy see me when I'm spying. Ducked in the bushes. Oh, it's the Hall of Fame of WWE. I'm watching it on Instagram, sorry.
What's my dog's name? The dog's name? The dog. What if it sucks? What if it sucks? That sucks. Whoa. Sorry. I'm good. How are you? I look like a mess. Wow, it's so fun. You know what?
Yep, I'm leaving. Oh, he had to get out. Oh, kind of sad. Well, let me just show you where to subscribe. Why is he kidding me? There, you should subscribe to him. Did he join me? Because I joined him in this game. Oh my god. Oh my god! I was in his live stream. I was in his live stream. Oh my god, we did a lot of gameplays. Nice. He almost got out. Oh my god. Well, that's kind of sad, dude. Albert, yeah, let's watch Alberto. This is not Alberto. Screw you! No, Alberto, why you... Everyone just take a screenshot of that right now. Just take it. Just take it. This is how beautiful it is. Okay, I twisted it somewhere. Hey, Harry! Okay, guys. Well, what should we do now? What the heck? I never searched it out. Yep, we need to see this. Another Jesus Christ. Sub to him right now. Sub to him right now. Sub to my father. Where is... No, that is not my father. I said who ate my T-Sieres? The heck? Nope, let's watch this. Oh my god.